Open all these 6 screws. Carefully pull it to open the cover. In HMI there is one slot to insert the memory card. Take a memory card, download HMI program to it and insert it here. Now switch on the machine. The program and card will automatically get downloaded. See, the SD card process completed. Now switch off the machine and remove the card. Next we will update motherboard program. For that, this converter board is required. Take a pen drive preloaded with motherboard program. Insert the pen drive into this card, then connect this card to the motherboard. Please check there is one push button is available on the motherboard. Switch on the machine and press and hold the push button for about 20 seconds. Release the button. The program and pen drive will start downloading. Check the HMI. It shows system booting. Wait for few seconds until Sci Paradise logo appear on the screen. As the logo appear means the program is now downloaded. Switch off the machine and remove the card. Now close the top cover back and fix all the screws. Now have to do one more settings in system setting. As now the home screen is locked, we have to unlock the screen first. To unlock the screen, touch the lock picture, a password page will appear. Enter password 9894. Now the screen is unlocked. Now touch the HMI on cutting to go to system setting. Enter password 4989. Do this setting very carefully. Here 2 passwords. System password is for this page and parameter password for screen lock. Please do remember the password. If you forget password, then this will get locked for permanently and no other way to unlock it.